Yeah, you could say it's always a treat to watch some guy back up a 53-foot trailer so we can get it down here into the job site. But yeah, some of these guys we're on this backcountry road, and that trailer's 53 feet. The cab's probably another 20. And yeah, this guy's bringing it right down. And we are in. And rolling. I know you guys are all wondering what's inside the box. I think that's where we're stopping. And this is where we're unloading. Stay tuned. Opening the doors. Let's check that out. Look at that. Loaded to the hilt. Kind of like Christmas, isn't it? Just the present is a little bit bigger. Yeah, so that's what you call a 53-foot truckload of ICF blocks. And there they are. That's some corner pieces. All right. See, these guys have done it before. They brought the Bobcat, got some forklifts, but more importantly, they got the little pallet. So these things don't come palletized. So that gives you the ability to slide them right off the back of the truck, slide them down on that pallet, and then wheel it over here and stack them up. There you have it. Inside of an ICF. You know, I'm often quoted as saying, I'm just an old guy that still plays with Legos. My Lego sets are just a little bit more expensive than they used to be. So, yeah. Looking forward to seeing this get put together.